Are you looking for the best over-sink drying racks? In recent years, mechanical keyboards have surged in popularity, captivating both typists and gamers with their tactile feedback and customizable features. Enthusiasts appreciate the unique switch types, durable build quality, versatile layouts, and overall value offered by different models. However, for kitchen organization, a similar quest exists for efficient drawing solutions that optimize space and usability. This guide evaluates the best over-sink drawing racks based on durability.
Product number 1. Dish Drying Rack. Over-the-sink dish drainer rack with utensil and knife holder hooks. This over-sink drying rack is a well-rounded choice for anyone looking to maximize kitchen counter space. Crafted with sturdy materials, it features a smart design that includes a dedicated utensil and knife holder, keeping smaller items organized and easily accessible. The hooks add extra hanging space for cups or mugs, enhancing functionality. Its compact yet roomy layout fits seamlessly over most sinks, making drying efficient and tidy. The ease of installation and cleaning makes it a practical and value-packed option for daily use.
Product number 2. Dish Drying Rack in Sink. Expandable stainless steel dish drainers for kitchen counter. Perfect for kitchens of all sizes, this expandable stainless steel dish drying rack adjusts to fit over different sink widths, ensuring a customized fit. Its robust stainless steel construction guarantees longevity and resistance to rust even with frequent water exposure. The open design promotes rapid drying, while the expandable feature allows for more dish capacity when needed and contracts for smaller loads. Easy to assemble and clean, this rack offers flexibility and quality, making it a reliable addition to any busy kitchen.
Product number 3. Over-the-sink dish drying rack. Adjustable. 25.5 to 33.5-inch two-tier metal steel dish drying racks. For those seeking ample drying space, this adjustable two-tier metal rack is a standout option. The adjustable width, 25.5 to 33.5 inches, fits various sink sizes, while the two tiers provide separate zones for plates, bowls, and utensils, preventing overcrowding. The metal steel build ensures durability, while the elevated design keeps dishes above the sink to drain directly. Its practical layout and sturdy frame offer excellent value for larger households or anyone wanting a neat and efficient drying solution.
Product number 4. YKL SLH 4 baskets over the sink dish drying rack. Extendable large capacity sink rack. If capacity and organization are priorities, the YKL SLH 4 baskets drying rack is an impressive contender. It features 4 separate baskets that allow you to segregate dishes, cutlery, and even fruits or vegetables for drying. The extendable frame fits a wide range of sink sizes, enhancing its versatility. Made from rust-resistant materials, it stands up well to daily use. This large capacity rack is perfect for busy kitchens that require a practical yet roomy drying station without sacrificing counter space.
Product number 5. Over-the-sink dish drying rack. Adjustable two-tier large capacity stainless steel drainer with cutlery and utensil holders. Combining large capacity with smart organization, this two-tier stainless steel drying rack includes dedicated cutlery and utensil holders to streamline your drying process. Its adjustable design ensures a perfect fit over sinks of various sizes. The stainless steel construction offers durability and an elegant finish that complements any kitchen style. The elevated tiers keep dishes elevated to dry efficiently while freeing up countertop space. This rack balances style, function, and value, making it a great choice for families and cooking enthusiasts alike.